What's up, guys? Brian and Michael here. We're going to go over some counters, right? A counter to a throw. And really, timing. We're going to look at some uploads after this, or look for uploads around this in our playlist, and you'll see a couple others we're going to put out, right? But timing is of the essence here. So if I'm coming in for O-Soto Gari on Michael, right? And like what we've been working on is attack the closest leg, right? If that leg's forward, I attack it. If it's back, I go here, right? So there is a variation where you can attack the far leg. It's just like you got to kind of hop in for it, and not as effective. So when he steps in and goes for this on me, what I've got to do is be first, right? So that's his. I'm just doing a drop sort of action like Otoshi in judo here. This is called O-Soto Gaeshi. So this foot's forward, he steps in, goes O-Soto on me, and I sort of do that kickstart like that, right? So as he comes in, go ahead, watch my grip, it's on his head like this. We've been doing this on some of our butterfly sweeps on the ground. But when he steps in, here, you know that you can throw him with the same throw that he's going for on this one. So you go first. You go as a counter, and you can't let him get too deep. It's like there's a sweet spot on the timing. And then I'm not necessarily too worried about my grips. I'm pulling him down like this, right? And like some people call it the clubbing action, like you club them on the side of the head, right? Like a ridge hand in traditional martial arts. So just a little variation of O-Soto is a counter. O-Soto Gaeshi is what it's called in judo. All right, thanks, guys.